Hi kids, today we are going to see class 6 chapter 1 maths, knowing our numbers. So in previous classes you might be seeing numbers up to thousands. Here we'll be dealing bigger numbers than thousands, that is above 1000 numbers also. Okay, so first let us compare some numbers and see which is the smallest and which is the largest number. So here are the few numbers. In this, which is the greatest number? Okay, so by observing these numbers you can tell, okay, this is 2-digit number, this is 3-digit number, this is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number. So obviously 5-digit number is greatest number. Okay, this is the greatest number. Okay, and which is the smallest number? Since this is the 2-digit number, this is the smallest number. Okay, so by looking the numbers we can tell which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number, since all the number of digits is not same. Now second one, here also similar thing. See, here this is 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number. So by observing these numbers you can tell, okay, which is greater number?
5-digit number.
Yes, so this is greater number. Okay, and which is smallest number?
2-digit number.
Yes, so this is the smallest number. Okay, similarly we'll see other one. So see the third example. Here also you can see 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and this is 3-digit number and this is 2-digit number. So first tell me which is the greatest number in this?
4-digit number.
Yes, 4-digit number is greater number. And which is the smallest number?
2-digit number.
So this is the smallest number. And fourth one, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 5-digit number and 4-digit number.
5-digit number is the greatest number.
This is the greatest number. Next, which is the smallest number?
2-digit number.
Yes. Okay, understood? So just this is nothing but comparison of numbers. Okay, by seeing the number of digits in a particular number, you can tell which is greater number and which is the least number. Okay. So exercise 1.1, here we'll see one problem. Okay, first one, these are the digits given. So here you have to tell which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Okay, so here the given numbers all are 5-digit numbers. See here, all these numbers are 5-digit numbers. So now how you will compare this? How you will tell which is greater number and which is smaller number? So first what you have to do, you have to compare the first digit. Okay, see all are 1. Next digit, see all are having 5. Next compare the hundreds digit. This 100 digit, here it is 4, here it is 8, here it is 3 and this is 5. So which is the bigger number? So in this you are having 8. So 8 is a bigger number. So obviously this number will be the greatest number. Okay. And next you have to see which is the smallest number.
This is the smallest number.
So 4, 8, 3, 5. So 3 is a small number. So this is a small number. So totally this number will be the smallest number. Okay, understood? So whenever you are having all equal digits, you have to compare each digit. Okay, 10,000 digit, thousands digit, hundreds digit. If hundreds digit is also same, then you have to go for tens digit. Okay. If tens digit also same, then you have to go for units digit. Okay.
Then we'll
so like this answer. Like this you have to compare. Okay. Next we'll see the next one. So see the second one. Here also all the numbers have 5 digits. So now compare this and tell me which is the greater number and which is the smaller number.
Okay. These all are having 2 in the 10,000th digit.
Yes.
And this is thousands digit.
That
That
is
is also
also-
same. And next, this is hundreds digit. They are not same.
So compare that.
Here we having 0, 2, 8 and 6. So
Which is greater?
8. So this will be the greatest number.
Yes, this is the
Greatest number.
greatest number. Next, what is the smallest number?
This one.
Yeah, this is the
Smallest.
smallest one. Similarly, do other things.
These all are having same in the
See here you can see the hundreds also same for all. So you
Yeah.
have to go for tens.
Tens is
place
not
you
same.
tens place you compare and tell me which is greatest and which is least.
This is the greatest number.
Yeah, since this has 8.
8.
Here 4, 7, 0. So here
Zero.
we have 8. So this is the greatest number.
And this is the smallest
This
number.
is the smallest number. Similarly, do other things.
And this is the smallest number.
Yes, this is smallest number. So understood how to compare the numbers?
Yes.
So you have to see first 10,000 place, next thousands place, next hundreds place, then tens place, then units place. Okay, in this example, I have compared the units place. Okay, this is comparing of bigger numbers. Okay. So next second problem, we have to write in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means from small number to larger number, that is increasing order. Okay, ascending order is nothing but increasing order. So first you have to write the smallest number. So in this, which is the smallest number? See, when you see the digits, you can see this is only 3-digit number. So this is the smallest number. So first we'll get 375. Next, see, this is 4-digit number and this is also 4-digit number. But when you see the first thousands digit, so this is bigger number and this is smaller number. So next number will be this. Next, this one. And this is the largest number. Okay, so write this, you have to compare and write. Okay, next we'll see the next one. Similarly, the second one, you can observe this has only 4 digits. So this will be the least one.
Yes.
Next, all these have 5 digits. So which is least? Here 1, 2, 1. So these two have 1.
This is the next
Next you
least
see
number.
here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0.
Next this one.
19035. Next
This.
22570. Okay, so this is ascending order.
Yes.
Next third one, descending order. So we have to write in descending order. Descending means decreasing order. So first we have to write the greatest number. Yes. So in this, which is the greatest number? When you compare this is 4-digit number and these are 5-digit numbers.
This is the greatest number.
Yes, this is the greatest number. So first write this number. Next comes which number?
This number.
This one. 89254. Next,
This one.
yes, 45321.
This
Next, 1876. Okay. So this is in descending order. Similarly, do the next one. So which is the greatest number? You can observe here. This is 5-digit number.
Yes, so this will be the
Yes,
greatest number.
18500. Next,
This one.
8700. Next, 3900. Next,
3,000.
3000. Yeah, that's all. So next, fourth one, which is greater, means you have to use these two symbols and tell me which is greater and which is smaller. Okay.
Okay.
So this represents something less than other number. Okay. This represents greater symbol. Okay. So first one, 3854, 3854 dash 1,52,000. So which is greater number?
This is
This
greater
is greater
number.
number. So which symbol you have to write here now?
We have to write this symbol over here.
Yes, this one. So 3,854 less than 1,52,000. This one, which is greater number? 4,895, 4,864.
4,895.
So which symbol we have to use?
This symbol.
Yes. This is greater
Greater
than
than.
this. Similarly, in this, which is greater number? See,
99,454 and 99,445. 99,454 is the greatest number.
Greater than this. Now this one. This
1,000.
is 500. This
14.
is 499.
14,500 and 14,499.
So this
14,000 is the
than
greater
this.
number.
Okay. Fifth one, write number in words. Okay, first one, see this is the number. So how to write?
72,000.
First you keep commas. Okay, then you'll understand.
Yes.
See, after 3 digits you have to keep one comma. So this becomes 72,642.
642.
Write down here. Okay.
72,000.
72,642.
642.
642. Okay. Similarly, you write all other things because this is very easy. Second one is 55,345. Third one is 66,600. Fourth one is 30,301. Okay, you can write it in words. Next, sixth question, you have to write in figures. So that is also you can write down easily. So you do yourself, and if you have any doubt you can comment in comment section. I'll reply you. Next we'll go for seventh one. Form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4037 and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. So with this 4 digits you have to write 4-digit numbers. How many possible 4-digit numbers? You have to write those many. Okay, and from that you have to tell which is greater and which is the smallest number.
Okay.
So these are all the possible 4-digit numbers. So you can see this one is starting with 3. This
Starting with 4 and this is starting with 7.
so we did not write starting with 0
Because it will become 3-digit number.
yes, 0 has no value when it is placed on the left side. Okay, so these are the numbers. In this, which is the greatest number?
The greatest number is
In which set it will be? It will
7.
be starting with 7 only. Okay, so in this, which is the greatest number?
7,430.
Yes, 7430. 7,430.
Greatest number.
Next, which is the smallest number?
The first one, this one.
Yes, 3047 is the smallest number. Okay. Eighth one, the smallest 4-digit number. So 4-digit number which is smallest.
Okay. The smallest 4-digit number is 1,000.
Yes, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number.
The
And which is
greatest
the greatest 4-digit number?
9,999.
Yes, 9,999. All 9s. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, smallest 5-digit number.
10,000.
Yes. Next, greatest 5-digit number.
99,999.
Yes, correct. So by this we completed that exercise. The next part will continue in next video. Bye.
And bye.